Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make quick curry chicken easy method. Start by heating oil in a pan, sauté onion and garlic until fragrant, then add curry powder to bloom the spices. Add bite-sized chicken pieces and brown briefly. Pour in coconut milk and simmer until sauce thickens and chicken cooks through. Season with salt and pepper, finish with a squeeze of lime or fresh herbs, and serve over rice or naan. Start with a hot pan and a splash of oil to sear the chicken in batches, avoiding overcrowding. Reduce heat briefly to add onion and garlic, then stir in curry powder so the spices toast gently. Return chicken to the pan, pour in coconut milk, and simmer until the sauce reduces and coats the chicken. Taste and adjust salt, add fresh herbs if you like, and plate with rice for a comforting meal. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing quick recipes. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling great after grocery runs or spice-filled cooking. Its bold scent is a fun little treat. Check the description for the link and other deals where you can pick one up. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. For easy variation, try yogurt or cream instead of coconut milk for a different tang and texture. Toss in quick-cooking veggies like spinach or peas near the end so they stay bright and tender. If you want more heat, add a pinch of chili flakes or fresh chilies while sautéing. Always taste before serving and adjust salt or acidity. Serve with rice, naan, or a simple salad for a complete and fast meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.